Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your host, P-Fire, aka P equals MC squared. And this is another episode of Stuff. On this episode of Stuff, we got a quick unboxing. Unboxing. Drop it like it's hot. Alright, guys, let's just get into this real quick so we ain't got no time to waste. Thankfully, I don't need no scissors today. Alright, let's see what this is. Let's see what that is. Warner Music Group and all that, so you can have a guess what we're dealing with. Alright, boom, let's get into it real quick. Quick. I'm using a comb today, guys. You see what I just used there? It's getting worse, man. Oof. Let's get this out. So here we have the newly released Liam Gallagher, Come On, You Know, album. Boom. Not only just the album, let me just open this real quick so you guys can see. Like I said, this is just a quick little on to the boxing. Oops, get that in there. So album released yesterday. I pre-ordered this sometime earlier this year, a couple months ago. Come On, You Know. Do you know what I mean? I'll just take you through it. Really dope. Like yeah, obviously you got your record in there, you know what I'm saying? Record, and then look, you got photos, space for the records. It's like a photo book. It comes as a bundle, you know. Avatar kid, biblical. Comes as a bundle. Look, you can see some dope stuff in there. It's fresh off the press. The pages are still stuck together, you know what I'm saying? There's Liam shaking his maracas, living life like a G, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, lots of pictures, as you can see. So if you pre-ordered this a while back, you will enjoy this, I'm sure. There's some writing up in there. Of course, you got the CD, so you got the book, you got the CD, you got the vinyl, and of course at the back here you have boom, the clear vinyl special. Do you know what I mean? Muddy, dirty, if you know what it is. Alright, guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the new Liam Gallagher Come On You Know album. Of course, I got the Liam Gallagher Down by the River Thames t-shirt. That was a virtual concert I attended over lockdown. So yeah, if you attended that, you would have got this t-shirt as well. But anyway, guys, just a quick one. You already know what this is. This has been Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit.